Dancing with Words. Unveiling the meaning of tango with. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that dances off the tongue, tango with. If you're eager to expand your English idioms and phrases repertoire, then you're in the right place. We'll explore the roots, meanings, and how to use this vibrant expression in your daily conversations. So, let's not miss a beat and step right into the rhythm of learning. The phrase, tango with, borrows from the passion and intricacy of the tango, a dance known for its vibrant energy and precise movements. Originally from Latin America, the tango became a worldwide phenomenon, symbolizing a mix of cultures, emotions, and, most importantly, a partnership that requires close cooperation and understanding between the dancers. When we transfer this concept to language, to tango with someone or something doesn't involve dancing, but rather engaging with them closely, often in a complex or delicate situation. To tango with can have several meanings, depending on the context. 1. Engage closely. Just as in dancing, it means to engage with someone or something in a way that requires close attention. 2. Enter into a complex situation. It can also mean to become involved in a complicated or tricky scenario. 3. Confront or contend with. Sometimes, to tango with suggests a confrontation or a struggle, as in taking on a challenge or opponent. Let's put this phrase into action. Here are some examples. Engage closely. The new manager had to tango with the old policies to understand what changes were needed. Enter into a complex situation. He realized that buying the old theater would mean he'd tango with a lot of legal issues. Confront or contend with. You don't want to tango with her when she's angry. She's a fierce debater. Notice how the phrase adds a dynamic quality to the sentences, evoking the sense of movement and interaction. Phrases like tango with enrich the English language with cultural depth and vivid imagery. They demonstrate how language is not just a tool for communication but also a reflection of history, art, and the interconnectedness of human experiences. And that's where our dance ends, folks. I hope you've enjoyed unraveling the meaning of tango with us. Remember, learning a language is like a dance. It takes practice. Sometimes you step on toes, but it's always a beautiful way to connect. Keep practicing, keep learning, and soon you'll be dancing through English conversations with ease. Until next time, keep the rhythm alive in your language journey.